Near the Prince Edward Flower Market in Hong Kong's Kowloon lies a Chinese-style bird garden. As you walk inside, your eyes are greeted by various bird cages and your ears by birds singing and chirping.
同時我哋學科學嗰陣時咧，就冇人學呢行嘅，多數學乜嘢咧？學到鬥木泥水、非法現金啊，嗰啲咁電器啊，嗰啲咁樣嘅啫。咁啊，呢行就好冷門，冇人選擇㗎啦。我諗嗰陣時唔知發咩奇想，但係嗰啲老人家退休咪冇人接班啦咁我做呢行做到而家接班啦。
81-year-old Chan Lok-choi learned to make bird cages from his uncle at age 13 and was apprenticed to several masters later on.
咁樣咧，細雀，譬如相思咁咧，就中意嗰啲細啲、係型啲嘅，五寸花。有啲雀咧大隻好細，嗰啲大隻啲嘅咧，嗰啲又要做翻個大啲籠高啲。如果唔係嗰大啲雀，你用呢啲細籠嘅都一樣裝得㗎，但係唔啱，所以要適合嘅雀做適合嘅籠。
A bird cage is made of bamboo and wood, and each step of the process is challenging. A well-made, sturdy, and elegant handmade bird cage can take months or even years to finish. Bird cage making skills were recognized as a traditional handicraft in the Intangible Cultural Heritage List of Hong Kong in 2014. To keep the craft alive, Chen decided to take on apprentices.
整下雀籠嚟，好沉悶啊，覺得。咁佢而家後生唔中意，但係而家碰得佢呢幾個咧，呢幾個徒弟咧有心機學，係想成全嘅。咁佢有機會做得到，咁我就教佢啦。
Designer Kouak-Dylan is one of Chen's apprentices, and after a chance of encounter with birdcage making, he gradually fell in love with this ancient art.
呢個工藝其實都學習咗2至3年度啦。最初係見學嘅方式去睇，去嘗試記錄，慢慢就真係拜師學藝咁樣做，咁就想嘗試理解多少少香港本身呢度一個獨特嘅文化咯。
With the help of a local government scheme that supports emerging writers, Kouak-Dylan turned his research on sparrow culture and cage-making techniques in Hong Kong into a book.
掌龍嘅工藝其實喺香港嘅文化歷史好長久，亦都博大精深咯。所以我覺得用書籍去記錄呢一個文化美學呢個工藝係一個好重要嘅情況。亦都因為咁所以寫咗本書啦，令到希望等多啲人關注到呢件事，特別係年輕人可以對雀鳥文化，特別喺香港嘅雀鳥文化有更深嘅認識。